My name's Emily. My channel is all about homeschooling my 5-year-old daughter, sort of a vlog, keeping a record of what we're doing just in case we need it one day, and also to share ideas so that any parents who are short on ideas or struggling for ideas or just want to see what someone else's homeschooling looks like, that's what we're doing. So yeah, I'm posting a very short video about what we're doing for bonfire night, and including our bonfire night. Probably a bit short notice because people probably wanted things to do earlier this week, but this is ours. This is just how I'm going to do it. My homeschooling is we acknowledge the holidays, but then we're doing a dinosaur project at the moment at the same time. So we're basically pulling the one day out of the week to do bonfire night and Guy Fawkes, and then we will be diving straight back into our dinosaurs. So these are the resources I've got at the moment. So I made Rosie the poem of Remember the 5th of November so she can read it and everything. Twinkle have differentiated learning sheets with questions to fill in afterwards on Guy Fawkes. I normally help her with the writing, but she answers the questions because she's still very, very young. But she's really, really hot on if we read that through and I ask her what something was, she'll know. She listens. We've then got our traditional fireworks safety sheet and our word mat and our bonfire senses, and then the other sheet I've got that I haven't put out yet because I want her to experience the day first and then write it afterwards, is a acrostic poem about bonfire night. We've got some sparklers to do in the garden because they're less scary for animals because we are also vegan. So yeah, we might do some firework painting tomorrow with the toilet rolls where you cut the ends into strips and then fold them out and they look like fireworks when you dip them in paint and stuff. So yeah, we'll show you what we get up to tomorrow.
I'm not going back.
Remember.
Remember. 5th of November.
Gunpowder.
Gunpowder, treason.
And plot.
Treason and plot.
I see no reason. Why gunpowder treason?
Gunpowder treason
should ever be forgot.
Arm's length, wiggling.
Oh, like I was doing. So it's by your name again.
Use your figure eights, Babs.
You write eights with your hand. So an S and then join up the tail to the head. What's it?
Try one of these cool shapes.
It's like you got a wand.
It's like this.
That's it, you keep holding it right out. It's like you got a wand. Mummy will probably do one more.
There's one more. That's it, Bab, you got it.
Let me go. Look at me.
It doesn't need to, Babby, no.
Don't waste it, keep it up.
That's the last one we got, Bab.
You don't have any more once you've done that one. You have to let them burn all the way down. You do lots of circles. More.
Let me go.
Bab, be careful.
So other than her poem tomorrow morning, that was our bonfire night. We stood in the garden and watched our neighbours setting off various different ones. They were going off all around us and everything. And yeah, she did pretty well with her first sparklers. She was pretty safe. And yes, happy 5th of November, everyone, for what it's worth. I know it's based around treason of trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament, but yes, I think we all enjoy the fireworks when they go off. So I hope you're all having a fun evening. For now, it's ta-ta from me and ta-ta from the Rosie Bear.